There's a part located directly above the engine. If there's even a small leak, the car's power can noticeably decrease and the engine temperature might rise suddenly. In some cases, it can cause more serious engine problems if left unrepaired for a long time. What is this part? Why is it considered so important in the engine's air intake system? What are the symptoms of its failure? And how can you detect the problem yourself before it gets worse? Let's understand this from the beginning. In this episode, we'll talk about the engine intake manifold, its function, the causes of its failure, the most common symptoms that appear when there's a problem with it, and how to detect the fault before it causes more damage to the engine. The intake manifold is a fundamental component of any internal combustion engine. Its function is to receive air from the air filter and intake system and then distribute it evenly to all engine cylinders. The goal is to ensure each cylinder receives the appropriate amount of air for efficient combustion. Any difference in air volume between cylinders directly affects engine performance and fuel consumption. In the past, most intake manifolds were made of aluminum or cast iron due to their high resistance to temperature fluctuations. However, most manufacturers now use intake manifolds made of reinforced plastic because they are lighter, less expensive, and easier to manufacture. The intake manifold is typically mounted between the intake manifold and the cylinder head. A crucial component between the intake manifold and the cylinder head is the intake manifold gasket, which prevents air or coolant leaks between the different parts. So, how does this system work? When the engine starts, it begins drawing air through the air filter. The air then enters the intake manifold and from there goes to the intake. The manifold distributes the air evenly to the cylinders to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio, ensuring proper combustion and normal engine performance. However, over time, with high temperatures and continuous expansion and contraction, the intake manifold gasket can begin to deteriorate. With continued operation, air or coolant leaks may appear. In some cars, a crack may even appear in the plastic casing of the intake manifold itself, either due to heat or a manufacturing defect. When this happens, a range of symptoms will begin to appear. The first symptom you might notice is reduced engine performance. Any additional air entering the engine from an unforeseen source will alter the air-fuel ratio. In this case, the car's computer will try to compensate for the imbalance, but performance will start to suffer. You'll find the car's acceleration is weaker than usual, the accelerator pedal response is slower, and sometimes you'll notice a slight shudder or vibration while the car is stationary. Another common symptom is a radiator leak. This is because in some engines, the coolant flows through parts connected to the intake manifold. If the intake manifold gasket is damaged, the radiator can start leaking. In this case, you might smell coolant, notice water or deposits around the engine, or see the coolant level dropping continuously. Sometimes a little steam might appear from the engine compartment after starting the engine. One of the most serious symptoms to watch out for is engine overheating. A continued loss of coolant will eventually lead to a drop in the coolant level, reducing cooling efficiency and causing the temperature to gradually rise. The most serious problem is that some leaks are internal, meaning the coolant leaks inside the engine without any visible external signs. In this case, you might notice the temperature rising for no clear reason. If this continues for a long time, it can cause very costly engine damage, such as a damaged cylinder head gasket or other internal problems. So, how do you detect the problem? First, monitor the radiator water level regularly. If you notice a continuous drop without a clear reason, you must inspect the entire system. Also, check the area around the engine's intake manifold for any signs of leaks or deposits. If the car has weak acceleration or unusual vibrations, you may need to have it checked for air leaks using specialized diagnostic equipment at service centers. The important advice here is not to ignore any small leak, whether air or water, because the problem is often minor and the repair cost is not high in its early stages. However, delaying repair can turn it into a bigger problem and much more expensive. That's why it's very important to deal with the problem early before it gets bigger. In short, the engine intake manifold is responsible for efficiently distributing air to the cylinders. Any damage to the intake manifold gasket or the manifold itself can cause reduced engine performance, radiator leaks, and overheating. Therefore, early detection of symptoms will save you from major breakdowns and high repair costs. Finally, if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you've ever encountered a problem with the intake manifold or its gasket. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a new episode.